Hi. Welcome to the next video of the Git tutorial series. In the previous video, we learned about the git push and git pull commands. In this tutorial, we learn about the merge conflicts that may occur while doing a git pull. First, let's see what all things we have with us right now. We have a project on our computer that we have opened in VS Code. And the same project is available on the GitHub repository. Okay. Imagine a situation where you and your colleague are both working on this project simultaneously. They are working on their own computer, and you are on your own. If both of you are working on different files and resources, and then pull and push the code to and from the GitHub repository, then there is no problem. But what if you both are working on the same file or a resource? For example, you and your colleague both start working on file number 4. I have added a new line in the file, and I am still working on it. Meanwhile, my colleague has also added some new lines in the file, and his work was quicker, so he uploaded his side of the code to the GitHub repository. Since I don't have anyone else with me right now to demonstrate this task, I myself will add some text to file number 4 on the GitHub repository. Okay. Imagine that this file was updated by my colleague on his own computer and then he pushed the code to GitHub. Before pushing the code, he pulled the latest code from the GitHub repository to make sure that he had all the latest code. Then he pushed his new file number 4. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm still working on my side. And now my work is also done. I also want to push my code to the GitHub repository. So first, I will stage and commit my file. To stage the file, I will use the git add command like this. And now, to commit my file, I will use the git commit command like this. Now I am ready to push my file to GitHub. But first, I will do the git pull and make sure I have the latest code on my computer. I will execute the git pull command like this. As soon as I did the git pull command, Git said, merge conflict in file number 4.txt. That means there is a problem in file number 4. Let's check it. See, VS Code is showing me such a merge conflict. It's telling me that I and the code from GitHub are both trying to modify the same file. So the Git cannot decide whose code to keep and whose to discard. Or should it keep both the codes? Here, it is showing me the current changes. These are the changes that I made on my side of the code. And here, it is showing me the incoming changes. These changes are coming from the GitHub repository via the git pull command. These changes were made by my colleague. So the Git is showing me a few options to choose from. The options are to accept the current changes, accept incoming changes, accept both the changes, compare changes. I can choose any of these options after discussing it with my colleague. Maybe after discussion, we both felt that the code of both of us should be kept, so I will choose the accept both the changes option. I just have to click this option here. See, the code written by my colleague and I both are present in the file now. If I had clicked accept current changes, then only my line of code would have stayed. We will keep both the changes and save the file. Then click the Resolve in Merge Editor button. It will show you 3 versions of this file. One is your version. One is the version from the GitHub repository. And one is the latest version where we kept both the codes. Now, click the Complete Merge button. Okay. Let's check the Git status once. See, it says, all conflicts fixed, but you are still merging. So our file is okay now, we need to commit it once again as the file has changed. Do the git commit command like this. Now we are ready to push our code to GitHub. Do the git push command like this. Our code has been pushed to the GitHub repository. Go to GitHub and refresh the page once. Open file number 4. And you will see both the latest lines written in it. So in this tutorial, we have purposely created a conflict in our project by having two people working on the same file or resource. And then we solved the conflict while merging those two versions. I hope you have understood this topic well. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.